When should you be worried about snoring? Snoring happens when airflow through the mouth and nose is obstructed. There are many causes of snoring, but when should you be worried about it? Snoring is primarily contributed to obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, which involves a physical blockage of airway, restricting upper airway activity. Snoring affects your sleep and causes sleepiness the next day, and it may be a sign of an underlying condition, sleep apnea, which can be a serious health concern because it stops or pauses your breathing for at least 10 seconds per interruption and an average of 5 interruptions per hour. Sleep apnea and snoring that are untreated can lead to long-term health complications, such as high blood pressure. It may also lead to increased health risks, such as arrhythmia, neurocognitive impairment, and accidents due to sleepiness. Snoring prevents you from achieving restorative sleep. This can leave you groggy and tired the next day, resulting in concentration and memory problems. At work, sleep deprivation can lead to poor work performance. And in case you haven't heard, sleep apnea and snoring can affect your mental health, which goes beyond mood swings from a lack of sleep. Daytime sleepiness increases one's chance of developing anxiety, symptoms, and depression. Your dentist, who has been trained in treating sleep apnea and airway issues, can help you stop snoring. It's important to see your dentist if you're experiencing frequent snoring. A dentist can examine your oral cavity and airway to determine the cause of your snoring and recommend appropriate treatment. Here at Align Healing, we will create a customized, comprehensive treatment plan for you. This customized treatment plan uses a non-invasive, cost-effective oral appliance to correct the issue. One of the methods we use is the Vivos method, which is a revolutionary treatment for mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea and snoring. Vivos does not require surgery. It is a non-invasive, highly effective, and has a limited treatment time. In combination with the Vivos appliance, we also use the Deca laser to enhance our results. The Deca laser is a quick and non-invasive procedure that can be performed in 15 minutes or less to improve snoring. Find the right snoring prevention and treatment for you. Call us today. We would love to be able to help you.